Now, let us move on to specification 2, which states, describe the mammalian nervous system in terms of the central nervous system, which consists of the brain and the spinal cord, and the peripheral nervous system, which consists of the nerves located outside the brain and spinal cord. The central nervous system includes the brain and the spinal cord, which together act as the main control and processing center of the body. On the other hand, the peripheral nervous system includes all the nerves present throughout the body that connect different body parts to the central nervous system. So, always remember that when we talk about the mammalian nervous system, it is important to understand that it is divided into two main components. The first component is the central nervous system, which consists of the brain and the spinal cord. The CNS acts as the main control and coordination center of the body, processing information and directing responses to maintain proper body function. The second component is the peripheral nervous system, which is made up of all the nerves located outside the brain and spinal cord. The PNS connects the CNS to the rest of the body, allowing communication between the central nervous system and body organs. In summary, the central nervous system includes the brain and spinal cord, while the peripheral nervous system includes all the nerves throughout the body, working together to ensure smooth coordination and control of body activities. Now, let's take a closer look at the central nervous system, also known as the CNS. The CNS is made up of the brain and the spinal cord and serves as the main system for controlling and coordinating the body's activities. The brain acts as the body's primary control center. It receives sensory information from different parts of the body, processes and interprets this information, and then coordinates the appropriate responses. The brain not only controls voluntary movements and regulates involuntary activities but is also responsible for higher functions such as thinking, learning, memory, emotions, and decision-making. The spinal cord extends from the base of the brain down through the vertebral column. It serves as a major communication pathway, transmitting nerve impulses between the brain and the rest of the body. Besides this, the spinal cord also controls simple reflex actions, rapid, automatic responses to stimuli that do not require conscious thought, allowing the body to react quickly to potential danger. In summary, the central nervous system consists of the brain and spinal cord, which together ensure the body functions smoothly and responds appropriately to internal and external changes. Next, let's talk about the peripheral nervous system, also called the PNS. The PNS is made up of all the nerves that lie outside the brain and spinal cord. It forms a vast network that spreads throughout the body, connecting the central nervous system to muscles, glands, sense organs, and other tissues. The PNS plays a crucial role in communication between the body and the CNS. Sensory nerves carry information from receptors, such as those in the skin, eyes, ears, and internal organs, back to the CNS. This allows the body to detect changes in both the internal and external environment. Motor nerves then carry impulses from the CNS to effectors, including muscles and glands, producing appropriate responses like muscle movement or secretion. Through this system, the PNS ensures that the body can respond effectively to stimuli and maintain coordination with its surroundings. In short, the peripheral nervous system is made up of all the nerves outside the CNS, linking the brain and spinal cord to the rest of the body.